Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here today, we're about to go do a geode nail tutorials using gel products. Obviously, I typically use dip powders, as you can tell by this manicure that I did recently. It is using a color by Revel Nail's new collection, Treasure Trove collection. It is called Emerald. I'm like literally so in love with this collection. It is my favorite collection that they've released to date. And since this is a Treasure Trove collection and they base the theme off of gemstones, I really wanted to capitalize on that theme, and that's why I decided to do a geode nail with this manicure so that it would like really just pull in the whole like stone thing into one manicure. And here is the manicure right here in case you didn't see the thumbnail. But I love the depth and dimension of these glitters, so I'm super excited to share this tutorial with you guys. I used all gel products with the exception of I used some glitter pieces from this color because I really wanted to pull the glitter pieces, the gold glitter pieces, into the geode. And then I used a green glitter that I got from Sparkle & Co. So you're going to see all that next. Before we get into the video, I do want to remind you guys that I'm not a professional. I do this as a hobby. I do DIY nails. So if my way isn't the way that you were trained or the way that you learned in some other video from a professional, doesn't mean that I'm saying they're wrong or that I'm right. There's always more than one way to do things. So without further ado, let's get into the video. To start off, you need to paint your base layer of your geode. My geode had a plain white base color, so I took this white gel from Sparkle & Co., applied a thin layer over the entire nail, and cured it in an LED UV lamp for 60 seconds. Next, I took a gel base liquid and I drew on, painted on, brushed on a geode shape. Geode shapes are not symmetrical, they're not perfect, so try not to make it too round or too symmetrical. Make sure it's nice and curvy. I got this Luxe glitter from Sparkle & Co. It's just glitter. I don't know if it's cosmetic grade or craft. I assume it's cosmetic grade. But you can get craft glitter or any other kind of glitter that is just really fine like this and pour it over your geode design. I picked a green color to really pull into the emerald dip powder that I have on the rest of my nails. And right now I'm taking this nail art brush and just cleaning up the edges with rubbing alcohol to get off any glitter that's not inside of the geode design. Don't worry about messing up the glitter shape. As I said earlier, geodes are not perfect or symmetrical, so you can definitely like clean up and really change the shape now. If you wanted to change the shape, now is the crucial time to do it. Next, I'm taking my brush and I'm patting off, yes, patting off some of the glitter to really just bring through the white in the background. The reason I'm doing this is because I'm going to put large glitter chunks on top of this green glitter to really pull in the emerald design. Next, I used this dip powder to add on the glitter chunks over the geode design. I took a little bit of gel base and applied it to the tip of the wooden stick, and that's how I was able to pick up the golden flakes off of the dip powder and place it over the geode design. So you'll see me do this over and over again until I'm completely satisfied with how many flakes and glitter pieces are on top of this nail. Since all my nails have hints of gold in them, I took this gold gel polish from Sparkle & Co. and I used it to outline the geode design. So you really want to pick a color that really accents the rest of the nails to outline your geode design. Don't worry about them making the lines too thin or too thick or too perfect. You can really just make them squiggly. It really doesn't matter. as long as they're thick enough that you can see the gold. When you decided that you're satisfied with how it all looks, make sure you cure this in your lamp for 60 seconds. Now to seal in all your hard work, you want to use a gel top coat and apply it over the nail swatch, nail, whatever you're using to apply this design, and then also cure that in your lamp for another 60 seconds. Alright, that's it. That's the whole design. You didn't even have to use a drill to do this geode design. Okay, so what did you think? Was that simple? Was it too complicated? Too many steps? I know there's a way to do it with dip powder, and I actually really want to try that and show it for you guys here on this channel. So if you really want to see me try a geode, maybe even like the same color combinations, let me know in the comments below that you want me to try this out with dip powder, and I will gladly do a tutorial for you guys. I love doing these tutorials and these really unique designs. It's really fun for me, and I get to learn something in the process and show you guys what I learned and how I did it. Before you go, please give this video a thumbs up if you really liked this video, and hit subscribe. That way you get notified of any new videos that I have coming, because I'm going to be uploading more videos in the coming weeks, and I'm super excited for a project that is launching on December 1st. So hit subscribe because you won't want to miss that video. And thank you guys for watching. Bye! You know what YouTube really needs? Like a way to get out of the video without being awkward and like, bye guys, bye guys. Like, how are you supposed to end a video without being weird and be like, bye guys, I'm getting off the internet now? Okay. I'm really like trying to find a way to end this video without being awkward. Oh my God. I feel like I'm having like the jitters, whatever you want to call it, from the first few times that I started recording YouTube videos. I'm like, how are you supposed to do this? Record the video like 10 times, Carole. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna get off the internet now, guys. I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.